I'm expecting to see a lot of good movies. I'm expecting to meet interesting filmmakers. I'm expecting it to be better than last year. I'm expecting it to set a standard for maybe next year. All of these expectations. Who went? Sorry? Ha. Yeah. I mean, if you're going to, fine, if you want to ban anything to do with Pakistan, then go the distance. Don't just ban filmmakers. Why are you doing a half-hearted job? Ban the business dealings we do, the import, the export. Because when you do half a job, no one's going to take you seriously. I don't take the government seriously because they're only banning us from collaborating with artists. They're not banning businessmen from doing business. So if you really mean what you say, then go the distance. Then I'll take you seriously. But right now, it's not looking like you mean it. It just looks like it gets you a lot of publicity and makes a lot of noise. But really, what's the point of it? I will support if you think banning anything to do with Pakistan is going to help our Jawans, fine. But I don't see the whole distance. I don't see one little bit being looked at and banned, another part of it being left open. So where is the... It sounds hypocritical to me. It's sad. What can I say? I mean, it's sad. It's sad that we are fighting and we're not friendly because it's going to cause further friction. टिट फॉर टैट जो वो करे वो हम करें, जो हम करें वो कर रहे हैं. आई मीन उनमें और हमने कुछ फर्क हमने दिखाया नहीं है. जिसको अगर आप चाहें कि कुछ हम करें तो फिर बड़ा बन के आप बैन मत करो ना. आप दिखा दो मैच्योरिटी कि नहीं ये करके हम वही कर रहे हैं जो आप कर रहे हो. तो फिर आपने और हमारे में कुछ फर्क रहा ही नहीं. तो क्यों ना हम कुछ अलग करें जो वो ना कर रहे हो. यू नो देयर इज नो क्लियर आंसर और देयर इज अ क्लियर आंसर. It depends on the circumstances. Being removed, it sounds like it's like a negative connotation, right? But it depends. To be removed from anything is not good, whether it's a brand or a movie. You're being removed. All depends. Do you think his popularity is going to be affected? It all depends on the person and the situation. I can't be specific. आप पूछ लो. Release the phone number on Facebook. I don't know about the situation, पर कुछ भी पब्लिक करना सही नहीं है. मुझे इंसिडेंट के बारे में मालूम नहीं है, पर किसी का भी इन्फॉर्मेशन पब्लिक करना सही नहीं है, उतना मैं कह सकता हूँ. पर मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ मालूम नहीं है. Yeah? I don't know. My producer will announce it soon.